Cleaning oil stains from concrete can be a tough task, but Pour and Restore makes it easy. Just apply the liquid and let Pour and Restore do all the work. No scrubbing or rinsing is even needed. When dried to a powder, simply sweep it up, and when the remaining moisture evaporates, the stain is gone. Pour and Restore is so effective because it utilizes micro-extraction technology. When applied, a powerful citric degreaser soaks deep into the concrete pores. It penetrates the embedded stains and locks onto the oil particles on a molecular level. As Pour and Restore transforms from a liquid into a powder, the stain is lifted and captured by the absorbent material on the surface. When Pour and Restore is completely dry, just sweep it up, let it dry, and the stain is gone. Because Pour and Restore's patented formula is so effective at removing stains from motor oil and other automotive fluids, it is perfect for cleaning the garage floor and driveways. Pour and Restore is also very effective on food grease and cooking oils. That makes it ideal for patios and other masonry surfaces. Just apply, let dry, and sweep it up. Use Pour and Restore on concrete, exposed aggregate, brick pavers, stone, patio blocks, and more. Pour and Restore is also used for preparing concrete floors prior to the application of coatings. It helps to ensure proper adhesion by removing embedded oil residue, which can wick up through clean concrete, causing them to blister and peel. While incredibly effective, Pour and Restore is also environmentally responsible. The biodegradable, phosphate-free Pour and Restore formula captures oil stains to make proper disposal easy.